Okay, so this should be what you're working with. If you're gonna do it in the car, you can, but it's gonna be a little messy. So what you need to do is you need to take a knife, preferably an X-Acto or a razor blade or something, and you're gonna want to cut straight. You're gonna want it to look just like this. So come down, and you can almost see that's right at the bottom where that existing tab was. And you're gonna cut straight across and up. So the existing tab, you have to cut off in order to use this replacement. So when you look at these, now this is the one that's been in my truck for 2.5 years. This is my new one that I just printed. This one looked like this one when it started, but then eventually it got that bow because it's a friction fit. So I'm gonna put this one back in, but this one goes in the exact same way. And you may wanna bend it a little bit to make it fit. So the long end goes toward the center of the car, and the short end, so if it's on the other side, you're gonna do the exact same thing. Long end toward the center, short end toward the side. Okay, so the long end goes in first, and then the short end, sorry, try to get the video over here, and then you're going to push toward the front of the car and twist at the same time to just pull that other side of the tab up. It does take a little finagling. I mean, it is made out of plastic, so it will bend to a point. If you do it too hard, it will break. Okay, see how I almost have that one side in there? I just have to bend that other side back. So I'm gonna just push the tab out and push up, and there it is. That's exactly where it needs to be. See, now this has the bend. Now yours will be a little straight because it's new, but eventually it will bend. But you have this tab here and this tab here, and that is enough for the lens to clip onto. So these are replacement lenses I bought off Amazon. These are not original. Okay, you want to make sure that you check if you're going to be putting this in with a bulb. Okay, so I got my bulb. Now I'm using LEDs, so I want to make sure those LEDs are facing that way. Put the tab in, and now you can see off to the side. See where I'm going to line that up? I always find that it's easier to push the center one in first, and you'll hear it click, and then the second one, and you'll hear it click, and there, and it's not going off because my lights are on. Okay, my door is open. So I'll close my door. That's on, that's off. That's on, that's off. That's on. Okay, I hope that helps, but you do have to cut each side to allow for those brackets. So just take your time, cut a little at a time, and then you want to push the large end in, then get the small end in, and then twist up. Okay? If you run into any problems, let me know.